Do you want a flat belly without spending hours in the gym, any floor work, and strenuous stomach crunches? Today is your chance because I bring to you easy, simple moves which you can do in the comfort of your own home. It's just 5 minutes daily, and these moves are beginner friendly but yet super effective. So stick with me. I am dietitian Natasha Mohan, and I have helped and transformed thousands of people with easy home routines to lose weight and transform their lives. I will be teaching you 5 simple moves which are just 1 minute each, which you can do easily without the strenuous crunches, workout, floor exercises, etc. This is just a standing workout which you can do so easily. But before we proceed further, do let me know in the comment section below, what time do you wake up in the morning? I want an honest answer. There will be no judging. We're all together in this. We're trying to build a healthy community to motivate each other. Quickly comment below and let's not waste any more time. Let's begin with the easy, simple moves. So let's start with the first simple move to help you lose your excess belly fat. The second move is even more exciting and simple. It's just a simple standing belly fat exercise. Just have to put your hands up and do high knees like this. I hope you're doing it along with me because it's so simple and so easy. Well done! The next move is another simple and easy standing belly fat move. It's a belly fat buster. This. For the next belly fat buster move, which you have to do standing, you just have to spread your legs slightly wider than your shoulder width apart, and you have to come down in a slight squat and the axe movement. Then come up and like this. Well done! The last standing belly fat buster move that I'm going to teach you today is another very simple exercise for which you have to put your hands behind your head like this and kick sideways. Keep your core muscles tight and kick. Well done! You're done with the 5 simple moves. Now it's time to cool down. You have done an amazing workout. Amazing moves you have practiced with me today. Just cool down. Stretch sideways. So stretch along as far and wide as you can. Well done! Just do these 5 moves 5 minutes a day and you're sure to see your energy levels increase, your waist will become tighter and your belly will start to shrink. So these simple moves are yours now and you have to practice it daily along with me. Just play the video, be consistent and you're sure to see results. If you have enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. And if you're looking to join a paid weight loss program, then you can do so by just clicking on the link given in the description below and you can join my weight loss program, where you will be given amazing transformation with the help of a doctor, dietitian and a health counselor under my guidance. And all the foods will be tailor-made according to your preference, according to your choice, and the meal plan will change weekly. So it'll be easy for you to follow. And if you have any doubts or queries, just click on the link given below and you can get in touch with me. I'll see you soon again next week. Until then, take care.